Hi there. Today we're going to show you how to install Windows Update from installing your drivers. Because there could be problems, there could be issues with your auto jars, your garage jars, etc. So today, that's what we're going to do. We're going to show you Windows from installing your drivers. Install Windows from installing your drivers. So let's get on to it. So what we're going to do is we're going to open up the group policy editor. Then we have to go to computer configuration. We have to go to administrator templates, Windows components, Windows, make it a bit bigger, Windows update, manage offers for Windows offer, manage always offer for Windows update, and click where it says do not include jars for Windows updates. And then click the enable option, and then click OK. Now we start there from installing your drivers. Now what we're going to do is we're going to have the registry editor. Don't just waste your absolutely see what you're doing, so you could break your computer. And then what we're going to do is we're going to, if you're in the, go to HQ local machine, software, policies, Microsoft Windows. And if you look for the exclude during what, make sure set that to 1. Then that's what we're going to do. We're going to go driver search. We're going to create a new key called driver searching. Then we're going to create a new DWORD 32-bit value called named driver of the Wizard W search enabled. This will start to try to install your drivers for Windows for Device Manager. We're going to keep it at 0. Click OK. Now there's one thing we got to do. We have to go to sysdm.cpl. You have to click on hardware, click device installation settings, and we're going to click no. We're going to click station. So it's not bad. It's okay. We're installing yours. And there we go. That's all you have to do. And after this, you just have to restart your PC, and then bam, no more jars are no longer. Boom, no more jars are no more jars going to get solved for Windows Update. So you can go to the official website of your device or your motherboard's website to get all your drivers. And that's how you do it. And this is how you just do it. So let's wrap up. So the summary, what we covered, disabling jars, disabling Windows Update, installing drivers. Now let's get the outros. So if you like this tip, hit the like button down below. Hit the subscribe button down below if you are if you're liking this video too. And we have a comment what you should do if you're having problems. We have a comment what you think about it. And as always, have a great day.